Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to install a screen protector for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, finding one for this device is actually pretty hard because it is a curved screen, so I ended up finding this one on Amazon, Kareen Tempered Glass, and I do like the tempered glass ones. I don't even deal with the soft ones anymore because they're impossible to put on, so I got this one. It's $5.99. It's only one piece, so they're not that cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and try to put it on. All right, so just open this up here. Let's tear this off. Okay, and see what's inside. All right, so it is curved. All right, pull this out. So it's nice and curved. So that's going to go ahead and bleed over the edges. See what else is in this box. All right, we have, let's see if we have an instruction guide or anything like that. Nope, that's about it. All right, so we have some cleaning wipes. All right, so let's go ahead and clean this first. So get the wet wipes. And let's go ahead and clean this nicely. All right. Let me turn the screen off. It's easier to see when the screen is off. Make it nice and clean. All right. Nice and clean. All right. And then we're going to get the dry wipe. All right. I'm going to take this and just dry it off. Might help to hold it with two hands. This is a heavy phone, so just go ahead and clean it. Clean the edges. Wipe off all the dust. And I think that's clean. Put it down. And now I'm just going to have to see which way it goes. Now it's not super curved, slightly curved. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start peeling this off. All right, now I'm going to have to align it. I already got some dust here, so remove any debris before you put it on. All right. Don't want to have any debris on this. Okay. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and start aligning it. Make sure it's clean. All right. All right, that's on the exterior part. And it does have the little hole here for the camera, which is good. Now, they do have some where there's a hole for the fingerprint, and I definitely don't like that. Now, this one does have like a marking for where the fingerprint sensor is. All right, so let's go ahead and see if I can align that with the fingerprint sensor. All right, just like this. At first, I like to start aligning it with the hole punch. Okay, like this, just like that. And don't press it down until you've aligned it perfectly. See, it's still not aligned perfectly. All right, there's still some space there. All right. All right, still make sure that you're able to lift it softly. Okay. All right, now that looks good. And then just start wiping it down. Let me go ahead and press that. And just start wiping it down. And I think I got a little spot in here still, or that just might be a little part of the screen protector. Okay, I took that off. So it was on the outer edge. All right, so, and so far this one looks like it doesn't have any bubbles. See that? and just press it down. And let's see the fingerprint sensor. Is it working? Not recognized. Okay, let me go ahead and put my code in again. All right, let's try the fingerprint sensor. Okay, so the best thing to do, I think, would be to put in a new fingerprint sensor. So let's go ahead and do that. And you should also go to your settings. Let's go to settings here, and let's go to security and privacy. All right, find my device. Device lock, screen, fingerprint sensor, unlock. Okay, let's go ahead and add another one. Let's go ahead and add another fingerprint sensor here. So let's see if it's gonna work. All right. So I'm adding another one. So I might have to delete my original one. All right. Let's see here. Enrollment didn't work. Try again. All right. So let's go ahead and press it down. Let's go ahead and wipe this down a little bit more here. All right. Let's see if it's going to work. That's the problem with these screen protectors on these devices here. Let's do it again. All right. See? Okay. Starting to come on. All right. Just keep pressing. Keep pressing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Almost, 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 almost. It's almost there. Come on. Come on. All right. Done. All right, now let's try it. Come on. There we go. It's still not working. So let's go ahead and do it again. Okay, so it finally worked. Another thing you want to do is you want to go to sensitivity and adjust it so that the sensitivity on the fingerprint sensor is more sensitive. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings, and we're going to type in, let's see, touch. And we're going to go down to where it says screen protector mode. We're going to turn that on. Okay, and now let's go ahead and try it. It's supposed to make it more sensitive. So let's go ahead and turn this off. And let's go ahead and do that now. Boom. All right, it works. Just got to get it right. Okay, let's get it right. All right, so I have to keep working at this. So it depends on, okay, there we go. Got to touch it a little harder because it does have a screen protector on here. There we go. All right, get the hang of it. All right, so that is the key. All right, so looks like it's going to work. And let's go ahead and pop the case back on. Don't want to have it without a case. I got another case coming today, so this was my temporary case, and so that's going to be that. And I hope you guys like this video. And if you like the content, don't forget, subscribe down below. Until next time, stay blessed, and thanks for watching.